Well, we've got that floor done, and that's good. And we need to move on now to the door pillar. But there's a few bits and pieces that we didn't quite finish off. I don't know why. So we're going to get them done first. So this is just a quick video showing those little bits and pieces. I'll explain as we go along. Let's get on with it. This is where the inner sill on the offside meets the inner wing panel. The car is upside down at this point. This is where the top of the inner sill meets the bottom of the door pillar. This is the lower dash rail to the inside of the door pillar. And finally, we need to repair this toe board so we can finish off the plug welds in the floor panel. While we're here, we're just going to clean a bit of this bulkhead. A quick coat of primer. I know all that's been caught up. Get on with this near side door pillar. Well, thanks for watching and staying with us. Just a quick one, this one. A bit of a catch up, but these things need to be done. Otherwise, you end up 12 months down the line with loads of little bits unfinished. So now we've got those finished, we can get on with this door pillar. And that'll be our next video. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you all for that. Thank you. Bye for now.